Hello friends, today we'll be talking about business strategy, and in that we'll talk about strategy versus tactics. Though we use these two terms interchangeably, we need to understand there exists some difference. So dear friends, today in this session we'll talk about how strategy and tactics differs. Hope you would like this video, and if you like, please subscribe this channel also. Let's first talk about business strategy. Strategy is the determination of basic long-term goals and objective of an enterprise and adoption of course of action and the allocation of resources necessary for carrying out these goals. So we can say, in other words, strategy is how you achieve your goals and objective of an organization. What plan of action you adopt so as to achieve your goals and objective, it is known as strategy. For example, your goals for organization are sales, profit, market share. How you achieve it? You achieve it by aggressive pricing. You achieve it by entering into new market. You achieve it by launching new product. So these all course of actions are nothing but strategies. So we can say that the plan of action which we adopt so that we can achieve our long-term goals and objective, it is known as strategy. Let's discuss one more definition of strategy. Stanford Research Institute of USA, they have defined strategy in a different way. It says, strategy is a way in which a firm reacts to its environment. Now, dear friends, understand, success or failure of any company depends upon how well you adjust with external environment. External environment is uncontrollable. How you adjust with this environment, let it be competitive environment, political, legal, technological, demographic, how you adjust against all these environment variable, it is strategy. Environment keeps on changing, and that's why you also need to change and adjust. What you do for this adjustment with your external environment is known as strategies. That is how Stanford Research Institute have defined strategy. For example, your competitor have reduced price of their product. How you respond? You also reduce your price. So that is your price reduction strategy. Your competitor, for example, Coca-Cola, they have come out with Diet Coke. Now it's a matter of worry for Pepsi. What Pepsi would do? Pepsi also came out with Diet Pepsi. That is their strategy to counter their competitor. Let's take example of another company, Tata Tiago, one of the most successful car of Tata company in recent times. You all might be knowing it, but very few might be knowing it that originally it was named as Tata Zika, Z-I-C-A. Then why it is renamed as Tiago? It was renamed because just before the car Zika was about to launch, in some part of the world, a mosquito-borne disease suddenly emerged. And that virus was known as Zika virus, Z-I-K-A. So obviously, Tata company was worried because now something similar to their product name have come into limelight, and for all wrong reasons. No company would like to get associated with something which is negative. As a result, Tata decided to change their name from Zika to Tiago. So that is an example of strategy, how Tata renamed their product in the light of change external environment. So that is what we say strategy. Strategy means how you relate your organization with changing environment. As I said, your success or failure, it depends upon how effective you are in reacting to this environment. Let's talk about a very unique perspective. Michael Porter, in his book with the same title, he has defined strategy in competitive context, and that is why it is known as competitive strategy. He said that success or failure is largely depends upon do how well you do against your competitor, and that is why he defines strategy in the context of competition only, competitor strategies. See, what he says about strategy is it is creation of unique and value position involving different set of activities from its rival. Strategy means how you create unique position for your firm, either by performing different activities from your rival or by performing similar activities but in a different way from your rival. Let's take an example. As you can see, Mercedes, BMW, Volvo, they all belong to same segment largely, that is luxurious car segment. But why customer will buy Mercedes and not BMW or Volvo, or why they will buy Volvo or not Mercedes and BMW? Because Mercedes is different from two, Volvo is different from other two, and that difference comes because each company have used different positioning strategy. For example, Mercedes has position on what? Comfort, comfortable driving experience. BMW could also have position on the same parameter, but in that case, customer will get confused. So rather than putting on the same parameter, they have position on some different parameter. So BMW, they have position on the ultimate driving machine. Means their strategy is to position on driving machine rather than driving comfort. Volvo, on other way, they have position on safety and comfortable drive. So if you see, all these companies have positioned their product in a different way, so as to counter their competitors, so as to give the customers a different reason. Otherwise, they all are same category of car, luxurious premium car, but then they are different because they have used different strategy. And that is what we say competitive strategy. If you do what your competitors are doing, then you cannot beat your competitor. If you want to beat your competitor, you have to do something different in a different way. So if XYZ company have positioned their product on pricing strategy, low price strategy, if you also do it, then you cannot beat it. So you position on quality, you position on design, and that is what we say competitive strategy. Hope meaning of strategy is clear. So now we move towards tactics. Dear friends, many times we use these two terms interchangeably, but we need to understand there exists some difference, substantial difference. When we say tactics, tactics are the specific action a firm takes to implement its strategy. In other words, tactics is the action by which you implement your chosen strategy. For example, we all know almost every company today do celebrity endorsement. So celebrity endorsement is a common strategy for almost every company. So that is an example of strategy. What is tactic? Which type of celebrity do you use? Sports person, film star, that is tactic. In sports person also, a cricketer or an athlete like Saina Nehwal or Sania Mirza, it is a tactic. In film star also, whether you will hire Indian film star or Hollywood film star or South Indian film star as your celebrity, it is tactic. So tactic in simple terms is a plan of action by which you implement your chosen strategy. As I said, celebrity endorsement is your strategy, but then which celebrity you use is your tactic. Another point of difference is generally strategy do not change very frequently. Like you see that, for example, Coca-Cola or Pepsi, for years they are doing celebrity. What is changing is the type of celebrity. There used to be Amir Khan earlier in Coca-Cola celebrity, then some other person and so on. Thumbs Up, there used to be Sunil Sethi, then it was Salman Khan also, then probably Akshay Kumar also, then Ranveer Singh also. So all these years, what has not changed is their strategy, that is celebrity endorsement. For years, they have celebrity to endorse their product called Thumbs Up. What has changed is the type of celebrity, from Salman Khan to Ranveer Singh. And that is what we say. Tactics changes more frequently compared to strategy. Strategy do not change that frequently, but tactic. When competing firms pursue approximately the same strategy, the competitive advantage that any firm enjoy at a particular point of time, it is because of their tactics, not because of strategy. Because strategies are more or less same. For example, both Pepsi and Coca-Cola use celebrity. Then where the point of difference, where the competitive advantage? The advantage is type of celebrity, type of tactic which you use. Another example, if you talk about Pepsi, Coca-Cola, both are making soft drink, both are making cola drink. Then how the competitive advantage come for a particular company? For example, Coca-Cola developed competitive advantage over Pepsi by coming out with unique tactic, that is to come out with Diet Coke. Otherwise, normal cola both companies were having. But when Coca-Cola came out with Diet Coke, they developed substantial competitive advantage over Pepsi, and Pepsi started losing some customers. Similarly, when Pepsi came out with another tactic, that is to launch and come out with Pepsi Next, a mid-calorie beverage, they develop competitive advantage over Coca-Cola. So when two firms are competing with each other, more or less same segment, more or less same target market, the point of difference, the advantage, competitive advantage comes not because of strategy, because most of the time strategy is also similar. The competitive advantage comes because of tactic. You have different tactic compared to your competitors. And that is why it is not so unusual that a firm copies successful tactic of their competitors. When you realize that your competitor have developed some advantage over you with their unique tactic, then what you do is that you also copy that tactic of competitors, so that the advantage the competitor which have developed over you, you can nullify. For example, if a detergent company come out with lemon scent in their detergent powder, that means it have an advantage over the competing detergent company. Within no time, competing firm also will come out with their detergent powder with lemon scent, so that they can nullify their competitors' advantage over them. If Vodafone reduce the call rate, Airtel also follow with it. What if Airtel do not reduce their call rate? Then Vodafone will develop advantage over Airtel. Airtel will lose so many customers to Vodafone. This is how exactly Reliance Jio got most of their customers from Vodafone, Idea, Airtel only, and they become market leader with somewhere around 40 crore customers in India by giving free initially. When this company also started following them, some of them get closed down. Vodafone and Idea got merged, but still struggling. So successful tactics are very easily copied. As you can see, initially Amitabh Bachchan was brand ambassador of Tanishq. Seeing that, after a few years, Kalyan Jewellers hired him so that to get advantage which Tanishq have developed by having Amitabh Bachchan as their celebrity. Same way as we have discussed about Coca-Cola also. When Diet Coke was launched and they developed an advantage over Pepsi, Pepsi also in no time became Diet Pepsi, so as to nullify the benefits of Coca-Cola. The advantage Coca-Cola developed over Pepsi by coming out with Diet Coke. Problem is when you copy tactic of your competitor, one benefit is that the advantage which your competitor have developed over you, that you can nullify, but you cannot beat your competitor. For example, when Pepsi came out with Diet Pepsi to nullify advantage of Coca-Cola, of that is Diet Coke, they could nullify that advantage. But with Diet Pepsi, they could not beat and go ahead compared to Coca-Cola. So if you want to beat, what you require is not copying tactics. You require altogether a unique tactics, which your competitor also find it difficult to copy. If you can come out with some unique tactic, which is difficult to copy for your competitor, in that case, that advantage which you develop will remain with you for reasonably longer period of time. For example, as we discussed, if Tide come out with lemon scent, other brand also will come out with lemon scent in their detergent powder very quickly. Why? It is easy to copy. So what Procter and Gamble did was, did come out with Tide in a completely new formula with new manufacturing, new packaging equipment, and new concentrated formula also, which was difficult for other company to copy. And that's why they develop an advantage over their competitor for a reasonably longer period of time. And that is why you should come out with such tactic which is difficult to copy, so that you can come out with sustainable competitive advantage. You not only beat your competitor, but you beat your competitor for longer period of time. Copying tactic will just bring you at par with your competitor. You cannot beat them. If you want to beat them, come out with unique tactics. For example, Sony, why it is market leader? Because Sony have very unique strategy, very unique tactic. That is, they make any product tiny, miniaturization, what we refer as. And no other company is able to make the electronic product as tiny as Sony does. Sony can make tiny calculator, tiny tape recorders, tiny Walkman, even pocket computers or pocket TV also. No other company is that good in making tiny electronic product. And that's why, because of this unique tactic, Sony is market leader in electronic goods category. I hope you understand the concept of strategy and tactics and the point of difference also. Hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked, please subscribe my channel and share this video with other friends so they also get some benefit out of it. Thank you very much.